Chapter 1 Noun. Hello kids, welcome to ABC Kuku Kids. Today we will learn about nouns. Do you know what a noun is? Let's find out together. What is a noun? A noun is a naming word. It names a person, place, animal or thing. In short, noun, name of anything. Names of people. Teacher, boy, girl, doctor. Names of places. School, park, temple, beach. Names of animals. Dog, frog, bird, elephant. Names of things. Book, ball, apple, chair. Let's revise what we learned. A noun names a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. Everything around us has a name, and that name is a noun.
Thank you for watching ABC Kuku Kids. Please subscribe, like and share.